Today we are sitting with Shay J to see what's up in our community. Welcome back to our host here, Shay J. It's National Minority Mental Health Month right now.
Bam.
Bam.
You got it right now.
Okay, so tell me about that, and what's the point of reaching out specifically? Because we think of Mental Health Month as May, but this is National Minority Mental Health Month.
Absolutely, because minorities have a different set of problems, right? So that means we need a different set of solutions, and I'm excited about this month. I sat down with an amazing person to have this conversation with, and she is the director of Therapists for Color Collaboration. And so it's really talking about what are the things that are culturally responsive, and that is the key point of everybody needs mental health, but let's make sure you're getting the help that you actually need. And so this conversation is exciting, and we have to tune in for this because you might not need it, but somebody else will.
Yeah, that's the idea sometimes, is that you're listening and going, whoa, I need to talk to somebody about this.
Absolutely, and like knowing the signs, Tap in with your strong friends and tap in with your friends that just might need a little bit of, how are you doing today? Let me sit with you today, because you never know how you could change your life just from being present.
Yeah, and it's interesting you bring this up, because it's like so often we talk about the differences just between men and women, teenagers, kids. Everybody presents in a different way when they're struggling with their mental health. So it's the same thing in our minority communities.
Absolutely, and I'm excited because there's culturally responsive help that is here, right here in Colorado. So you want to tune into this episode, and it's really giving you the tools of who to reach out to and how to be a support in your community.
Absolutely. Okay, also Youth Scene is another thing that you're talking about, and this is all, we can see this all on the Culture Report.
Youth Scene is already out right now. So
and this is about LGBTQ youth, and tell us a little bit more about what you talked about.
What I love with youthscene.org, they do LGBTQ youth, but they actually focus on QT BIPOC. So that's usually not focused on. And Dr. Tara J came in a space from New York and said, what is Colorado missing? And created this space for people to find a community, to find something that feels a safe space, and also something that makes you have advocacy. So really teaching these youth how to use their voice, how to build their community, and how to be productive members right here when they don't feel like they have people to lean on. So it's a beautiful organization doing the work.
It's one thing to find your people, but it's also to be empowered when you find your people, right?
That's how we get to use our voice, feeling empowered. And what better way to do this amongst people that understand what you're going through, understand the support you need, and understand how to help you be the best version of yourself.
That's good.
I love it.
Okay, and we know people always can reach out to you, right?
Come on, reach out to me.
You want to know about these things.
I want to know if there's an organization we should be highlighting, if there's a person doing some work we should be highlighting. Let's talk about it. Reach out to me, send me an email, and I would love to connect them on 9 News.
Okay, it's easy. There it is on the screen, s.johnson@9news.com. Check it out, Shay J on 9 News Plus. You can always find out what's happening, and we hope you hear some good stuff.